Want to use an SVG image for your NFT? Great idea. It's smaller in size than other file formats and offers the option of embedding your art's drawing code into the smart contract. Okay. Let's get started. Go to Adobe Express. If you don't already have an account, sign up for a free one. Navigate to the tool for converting your PNG into an SVG. You can find the link in the description below. Upload your image. Please note that the image that you see is a watermarked version of the PNG being used for this demonstration. Take a mental note of the size of the PNG image file. 928 kilobytes. It will only take a moment to convert. The image rendered will not be in any way marked by Adobe. However, I have added a mark to the image for use in this video. You can now download the SVG. Take note of two things. First, the extension is .svg. Second, the size is smaller than the PNG. 796 kilobytes. Should you decide to write your own smart contract with your image on-chain, here's the coding information for the SVG. Hope you found this information helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. For more tech content, browse the channel or visit the website. The link is located in the description below. Thank you for visiting Just Tech Me At.